Hey, you're welcome back to Project Management Demystified. My name is Michael. I'm a VP and a project management professional. Right, so I think this is episode 28. We're rounding up the project where the project is already getting towards the end. Just as I always say, it's almost impossible for me to say, it's not even almost, it's impossible for me to say everything to think about everything that would happen in a project, but I've just tried to bring it to life a little bit so that people get an idea of what happens on projects. And I think I've mentioned this before previously that while we're treating this as a project, in so many organizations, projects do not necessarily start and end in a typical project fashion. Some organizations adopt this delivery approach where we continually find ways to improve the product or the service. We don't want to put out a product or a service out there, and if we need to improve something, we would have to start up a new project again, because that would mean that we would have to start looking for funds to fund just that improvement. We would have to set up a PMO, recruit people. So some organizations have these persistent teams that continuously look for opportunities to improve the service, get feedback from customers and stakeholders, and implement in a continuous fashion. It could be through an Agile Release Train, or it could be any other way. But there are persistent teams that look into the service and look for ways to improve it. So many of the financial institutions, some Facebook, Apple, that's what they do, and that's why we get Apple updates on or Samsung updates on or Android updates on our devices, because there are persistent teams continuously improving and updating the operating system. In financial institutions, you see mobile apps getting updated regularly. Most of our mobile apps are getting updated because there are teams working on them regularly and looking for ways to improve them, because they can't wait to start treating every update, every improvement as a separate project. So they are just improving. And then in terms of the software development, the code as well, the code does not have to start from scratch and end. So they're merging the codes, they're merging branches of the code. So that's one thing I want to call out. So while we've started and finished, and we're finishing the project, you can't be in an organization where the project does not necessarily end. Another thing that I also want to call out in this episode is celebration. I've mentioned this previously as well, that for projects to start and end, we tend to celebrate, and the celebration also has to be planned. Make it exciting. Let people look forward to it. So you plan who will attend, you reach out to people to know the numbers of people that will be able to attend. You can even do things like awards as well. Give people awards, recognize the success. So a lot of people have worked on the project. Did anyone stand out? Did anyone go above and beyond? Are there people that are resilient? Are there people that are allies of the project team? Because there are some people, when you're in meetings, you're trying to gain buy-in from people. They are on your side, and they are not part of the project team. They might be a team manager somewhere, they might be the head of a department somewhere, but they're helping the project team to rally and get buy-in as well. So those people, it will be good to recognize them. You can do some funny ones as well when things have not been going so well, how the people treat it. So you can do some funny ones, some funny awards. It's just to give some idea. So while we are always looking forward to deliver the value, deliver the project, we also have fun in project management. We have a lot of fun. We play, and that especially after the project has delivered successfully. And it just shows that we are all on the same side. We are all in one team. Even while we might think that, oh, this person is taking my resource, this person is impacting my performance, we're all on the same team. We're all in the same goal to drive the organization forward. I hope that helps. I'll leave it there, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Bye-bye.